Hello, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. So, I repaired this leak right here. Actually, I found that it just needed a new solenoid. So here's that old one. I tried to clean it out and soak it in some cleaning solution, but that ended up not working. So what I did is just replace it with a brand new solenoid. So I'm going to just show that the machine isn't leaking. As you can see, there's no water in the tray. There's no coffee in there, so it's a bit messy, but hopefully you can see underneath that it drips a little bit, and then it will stop. So you can see right here. Should have been the last drip. You can just wait a minute just so you'll see it's not dripping anymore. Yeah. Yeah, so no more leaking under there. It's all good. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching.